We're headed for LAX airport, so we're almost there at LAX airport. Everyone, we're almost at LAX airport. I'm almost at LAX airport right now. Go see the ATC. There's the ATC tower, air traffic control tower. I hope I see everything. There it is! Yo! That was insane! Bro, that was Yo. That was insane. Grandpa? Can we find parking? Can we find parking? We need to find parking.
Yeah.
Can you just turn around and try to find parking over there?
Can I park up there?
Yeah, sure. That counts. That should count. So me and all three of us, we're gonna go together? Grandpa?
No, that is not a parking space.
Oh. I just saw our first plane for today. It was actually very crazy. Very crazy. But it's actually very crazy. Just on my ears. I just have an aircraft carrier. I just built this. I like ships and planes. I like ships. I like planes. For I don't know what reason. I just knew. Grandpa. We just missed. Kind of missed a golden opportunity. Sammy, I'm gonna go by myself.
You can't go by yourself.
Okay. Like, where am I gonna go?
We have to go there.
That's why I'm gonna be waiting outside. Holy shit, it's busy. Oh! Yo, Delta Airlines. Yo, then Delta. Bro, I just see a Delta. I just saw a Delta. Holy shit, I just saw a Delta. Holy shit, that was a fucking Delta. That was a little fucking Delta. That was a little fucking Delta. I'm actually surprised. I'm actually very surprised for a... Gonna be keeping it in this position. Alright, so we're walking. Alright, so we're now walking. Alright, now we're walking to the airport. I will see you when I will do it when I'm there. I see another plane coming. I think I see oh yep, I see another plane coming. I see another plane. Okay, I see another plane coming, everyone. Everyone, I found another plane. I see it. Oh, I hear it. Oh, I hear it. Oh, I hear it. It's right up there. Damn, United Airlines. United Airlines. Damn. United Airlines. Damn. Bro, it's just like, bro, just United Airlines. Damn. Like, that is crazy. Like, that is crazy. Bro, that is crazy. Like, damn. Bro, that is crazy.
You know where we're parking?
Yep, all the way over there.
Okay.
Alright. And like, that's crazy. Huh? Oh yeah. I remember that one. Yeah, last time we went over there to try to find parking, but we couldn't. Yeah, last time I came. Yeah, I came here last time, but some reason, but we couldn't find any parking. And yeah. But I hear another plane coming. Let's see what kind of airline it is. Let's see what kind of airline it is. I think I hear an airline. Oh no, it isn't. Oh, it isn't. Oh, it's not an airline. It's just a bus. It's not an airline, it's just a bus. It's not an airline, it's just like the bus is here. The bus is here and stuff, so it makes it pretty loud. Which is definitely not a problem for me. But I don't know why, but like that bus is so loud. I don't know why that bus is so loud though. All I know is I see like 3 Southwest Airlines and an entire field. So, oh, I see it. I hear it. That is loud. That was loud, my man. My man, that was loud. King Pencil. That was loud. Bro, that was loud as fuck. That was loud as fuck. That was loud as fuck. That was loud as fuck.
That's cool, I just said that.
That was loud as fuck. Yeah, that was loud as fuck. Oh wait, I see a Delta Airlines. I need to see if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, I can't. Yo, there's a Cybertruck. A little ugly goofy goober. That's a little ugly goofy goober. I don't like Cybertrucks. And that is in my opinion. But there we are. The plane spotting area. We gotta go. We are on the field. We are on the field right now. We're on the field. Alright, we are on the field. We're on the field. A plane spotting. Yo, this is actually insane. Hello. Yo, this is actually insane. Just being right near LAX. Bro, just being right near LAX airport. I see some. Oh, there's a Delta right there. Oh shit! Oh shoot! There's another one coming! Boys! Oh! There's another one coming! Is that a 747 or an A380? Let's go! 747s are kind of rare though. One came a few minutes ago? Oh. Yeah, I just came here. Yo, A380! Goofusania! Yo, just that was crazy! Oh shit, Delta! Delta's taking off! Yeah! Yo, Delta's taking off! Bye-bye, Delta! Go take off! Damn, this is... Look, I only get, like... Yeah, that's actually crazy, though. You know, I'm gonna put this on, though. Just to let you know, I'm putting this on YouTube, so you're gonna be in the YouTube video. Oh. You're gonna be... Oh. Yeah, you could... Yeah, you lucky. You actually very lucky.
Okay.
Yeah, you get to be on my first video. Get to be in the first video. I actually wonder what... Singapore! I see Singapore!
777, 300
Dang, you know planes as well as me.
Because I had a friend, but like for only 1 week at Osaka Camp and I went, he taught me everything about it.
Nice. Yeah, basically, if you have like more than like 100 knots, you're already fine to take off.
Yeah.
You're already fine to take off if you're like above like 100 knots or something.
Do you have infinite flight? Like it's like
I don't have infinite flight. I don't have infinite flight, but I do play Pilot Training Flight Simulator on Roblox. It's really fun.
my PC somehow does not let me play that game.
Yeah, it's kind of it's really laggy. I'll tell you when the next one is gonna come though.
I have flight radar.
Oh, same with me.
You know some guy from In and Out, he would just like right before an A380 was gonna come out, he just stepped out and like whipped out his phone.
Damn. It's actually my first time seeing a Singapore Airlines. Like,
I have a really cool 747 photo.
nice.
Right here. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Alan. My name's Alan. Yeah.
Nice.
What's yours?
Jesus.
Oh, I met a person at school has the same name as you. I see one. I see one. It's over there. I see one. It's all the way over there. It's all the way over there.
Cool.
Oh, that's so tiny, bro. It looks so tiny.
That's an E170. E170. I think. E175. E175. My bad.
Yeah. Have you ever seen an ATR 72 before?
ATR 72. No.
Yeah, those ones are actually the rare. Those ones are really rare to find in like those airports. Nice. SkyWest Airlines. Wait, what kind of airline was it?
Delta.
Delta. Nice. All right. I see it just deployed their landing gear. They just deployed the landing gear. Yeah,
Oh, right now.
they just deployed it.
You know, I'm waiting for another A380 that's about to come.
Yeah.
The Korean Airlines.
Korean Airlines?
Yeah, it's
South Korean or North Korean? Here it is.
Oh, here comes a 747 before that in 11 minutes.
Is it 747?
In 11 minutes.
Yo, let's go!
Crazy.
Yes! Come on, Mildred, I need your hat. I need your hat. Yo! Yo, there's a Frontier. There's a Frontier Airlines.
I got a really cool Frontier photo on the phone.
Nice. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna be right back. Yeah. No, I like it over there because it's like it has more shade. More shade. I think I can kind of see it, but yeah. 9 or 10 minutes before the 747 comes.
Yeah.
That is it's actually gonna be insane because my first 747 is gonna be today.
Honestly, I have a really
Bro,
cool
I've
photo.
actually actually experienced to wear like Southwest Airlines liveries on Flight Radar 24.
You know, I have
It was the Maryland one, and I think it was the Maryland one and something else. I forgot.
New Mexico.
Yeah, the New Mexico.
I almost got the New Mexico on camera, but it was like half of the plane. Cause there's on the south runway, there's this little restaurant where they fly over. I got really cool photos from there. Let me show you.
Show me the 747 one.
Oh yeah,
I
okay.
actually want to see it. It's
It's Korean Air.
Korean Air with the 747.
I have all of these. My best photo of all was in Norse. This one.
Norse.
But I have a 747 right there. Here it is.
North Korean air cargo.
There was the one like on the south runway. I got this on the south.
Yo, that's nice. Southwest Airlines, take off!
Yeah, and I found this on Flight Radar.
Yo,
It's a DC-8.
a VCA?
A DC-8.
DC-8. Have you ever have you ever found a DC-10 on a Flight Radar before? Yeah, those ones, they don't appear often. Spirit,
Look at the livery.
the bankrupt.
That's the old livery.
That's the old livery.
They used to have it like that. And look, I found the U.S. Airways too.
Yo, people say it's a ghost plane now.
And I also found look, here's Frontier.
Frontier. Wait, I think the 747 is coming.
I have an alarm. It's gonna ring. I'm gonna put it away because as soon as it hits 20%. Oh, and I have an A340 photo.
A340?
Yeah.
Damn.
It was a Lufthansa A340 that's staring at me.
That.
It's super cool. Look.
Show me. Show me. I'm actually gonna be
Right there.
very surprised. That's a MiG-15.
No, right there behind it.
Oh, but like that's crazy of how you got a picture of also a MiG-15. Cause those they were using like the Korean, Vietnam, and
On the south runway, there's a Qatar A340. Those are not used anymore. Those are retired.
I know, bro. Yo, what
I
is
think
this?
it's gonna go to the scrapyard. And on my dad's phone, I have a photo. It's really bad.
Frontier Airlines, goodbye. 747, I think it's coming right now. I think it's coming right now.
The 747 is bigger.
Oh
That's
yeah.
4 engines.
Oh yeah.
Austria.
That's the Austria Airlines. Oh, I think I'm also. Yo, that's Airlines. I gotta get a photo of this as well. I gotta get a photo of this as well. Bro, I literally did two things at once. You know how? I took the picture of that, and then I did that. And then I just saw the United just go. It's so windy though. It's also very windy.
My in and out guys go right here.
I
Couldn't get it off.
Oh. Bye, Austria.
Oh yeah, and
Bye, Austria. Yes, I think the 747's next. I think the 747 is gonna be next.
when this alarm rings,
When the alarm
there's
rings,
two.
that's when the 747 is gonna come.
it might come to the south, might come to the north or the south, because it's in 50-50 with the 747, because they might go there or they might go here.
It depends on the runways though, if they're like bigger or smaller.
Oh, my friend, once he came here, and when we were at the camp, we had lunch, and during lunch, we got let to use our phones, and he showed me a photo of the retro livery A340.
Oh,
No,
yo, I see the cargo. I see the cargo airline.
Oh yeah, that's not that. Korean has two sides, a cargo and a normal. That's
airline.
the one we're gonna get. That's the one that's gonna land right here.
The
He
747.
got a really cool retro livery 747 photo right here at the same park. At this same park.
Nice. Yeah, this is like being at LAX, especially on this part, especially in the park, it's really nice. Like the wind, the breeze is blowing. You can see the planes just going up and just going like across.
I don't know if they'll come here. Because the A380 is right there and the 740.
Let's see. Where's the 747?
It's right here. Oh no, it's going to the south right now.
Wait, hopefully I can get it like from over here.
No, you're not going to be able to see it. The A380 is like right here. That's the one. I'm not going to get a picture of this one. I'm not going to.
Why not?
Because that one's going to come right on the south road. It crossed that way.
Yo, this is about to be very awesome. This is just because of how you said it. I know it's gonna be like very awesome. Though.
So the 747, we're not going to be able to see that one.
Luckily, I got to see my first A380 though.
Yeah. I need to zoom out because when I zoom in, when I'm over there at the restaurant over there, I always zoom in because the planes are, like the planes would be landing right around where the, you see that LAX sign, the gray LAX sign?
Yeah, I know.
We would be like right there in that corner and the LAX sign, that's where they would be coming in. So you have to zoom in a little.
Yeah.
It's like the Korean Air.
You know those like sometimes the A380 has like that livery where it looks like a goldfish and it has like eyes on each side.
Oh, the turtle.
Yeah, the turtle livery. I found that one on flight radar.
You know,
At 2:00 yesterday.
a few, like I said an hour ago, there was an ANA. There's a really cool ANA livery. It was taking off.
Nice.
When it's 22%, we gotta go.
Okay.
I think I can see the second plane. I'm not sure if I can. I don't have that much of a good vision because like I do Roblox videos as well.
I
Do you play Roblox?
Yeah.
What's your username?
And
Wait, 747! No! Go! 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 747! Yo, I can see it. Yes!
no, it's gonna come into the runway. Just wait. You'll see it. It's gonna get here.
Grandma, come here! It's gonna get in the runway! It's gonna be taken off! Yo! 747! I cannot wait. I can't wait for the 747, bro. I've seen a lot of 747s online, but I've never seen one in person. Bro, this is my first 747 I've seen in person. I've already have one of an A380. Yo, it's getting on the runway! Yo, it's gonna begin its descent. I'm fully zoomed in.
There's a Korean A380 coming.
A380 Korean?
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, there's gonna be a North Korean A380.
The Korean?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, butts!
How close is it?
Dude, how close is it? Get prepared! Everyone prepare!
Let's zoom out so that way you can get the whole plane. After this, I have to go home. Do you have Robux on your phone?
Yeah, I only have one. I only have one Robux.
I'll give you my username.
Yeah, I'll give you my username. Actually, no, my username is more easier. It's cinnamon12.
No, I could just give it to you so that way you can choose me right now. So
Yeah.
that way we don't.